on the issue of the membership recruitment that we launch here today. It must be the responsibility of every MCA. It must be the responsibility of every MP, every senator, and every governor in their jurisdictions to lead this exercise. I have already called for an extraordinary parliamentary group meeting in Nairobi next week on the 17th Friday. That meeting is going to encompass all ODM MPs, all ODM county coordinating chairpersons, all speakers, all majority leaders of ODM all over Kenya. We are going to draw an elaborate program for this membership recruitment drive all over the country. All over the country. And Siaya must lead by example. Siaya ka edala Jaramogi. Siaya ka edala Raila Odinga. Siaya ka edala James Agrorengo. To siaya ka be edala Opio Wandayi. Isairu kama nyasai madgwid. Thank you very much.
Haya.